How to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about downloading and installing the WhatsApp mobile application on your mobile device. So now let's get started. First, you need to launch your Play Store on your device if you're using an Android phone. But in the case if you're using your iPhone, you need to go ahead and launch your App Store. Then tap on the search bar in the top and search for WhatsApp application. Go ahead and tap on install in order to download it to its latest version on your device. There is also another app of WhatsApp, that is WhatsApp Business. If you want to open a business account, you can install the WhatsApp Business application on your device. Tap on install, which is highlighted in blue color, and it will be installed to its latest version on your device, and you can log into your account and start using it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.